All right, this is something we have not done before. This says we need to put the numbers in order from the least to the greatest. So I got out my number line to kind of help us and to let you know that this side, these are the smaller numbers, so they have less. And then as you go to the right, you go larger. So we have to find the numbers where they are on that number line and decide which one is the smallest and go up to the largest. So let's look at our numbers. I'm going to put a little mark next to each one. So our first number is 8. So I'm going to put a dot right there. I have a 3. I have a 6. I have a 4. I have a 2. And I have a 7. So I went through and I found all those numbers on the number line. Now what I need to do is start on the left-hand side and work my way towards the right, and that will take me from the smallest number to the largest number. So the first one was 2. The next one was 3. So we did 2, we did 3. The next one is 4. Got 4. Then the next one we put a dot on was 6. Okay, we got 6. The next number is 7. So we got 7. And the next one with the dot is 8. So we put those numbers in order from the least to the greatest. So I'm going to erase these marks and we'll start with the next row, the B row. So I'm going to put a dot on top of each one of my numbers. So the first number is 0. The next one is 5. The next one is 10. The next one is 9. Then 3. Then 6. So I've got all my numbers written down on my line or dotted. Now I'm going to go through and write them in the right order. So the first one is 0. So I can cross that one off. The next one that has a dot is 3. So cross that one off. The next one is 5. Let's cross that off. Next one is 6. Cross that one off. Then comes 9. Cross that one off. And then last one up here with the dot is the number 10. So we'll cross that one off. Now I'll erase my dots again because I got to start new. And this time I'm going to start with line C. And line C says I have 4. I have 7. I have 1. I have 9, and I have 3. So I use these numbers right here, and I marked them on my number line. Now I'm going to start with the left and go to the right and write down the numbers that had a dot. So 1, then 3, then 4, then 7, then 9. Let's make sure. 1, 3, 4, 7, 9. All right, I got them all in order from the least to the greatest. Now this page, page 9, we are going to just be doing some adding problems. So what we're going to do is we're going to write the number for each side of our domino, and then we have to come up with the total number of dots on each one. So write an addition sentence to add both sides of the domino. So on this domino on this side, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look, they match. They're doubles. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 again. And do you remember our doubles fact? 4 plus 4 equals 8. And if you don't know that doubles fact by heart, you can just count them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this side of the domino has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this side has 1, 2, 3. And then we have to add 5 plus 3 equals, and to get that answer, we're going to add 5. Here's 5, 6, 7, 8. And see what I did there? I counted on from 5. I already know there's 5 there, so I don't need to recount it. So I just started counting from 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this side. Oh, it only has 1. This side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need to know what 1 plus 6 equals. So I know this side has 6. So 6 and one more is 7. All right? I want you to do the last 2 dominoes yourself and do the addition problems for them. Good job, you guys. We had a good week this week learning lots of math stuff. I hope you have a wonderful weekend.